Stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee. Thanks for riding with us.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crisp Trends. Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. There's always a little drama in train stations, from dancing performances to cooking on the train. With that in mind, we've compiled a video of NYC subway hilarious public freakout moments. Remember, subscribe, comment, like, all of the good stuff, but for now, let's get right into the video. Dogs just make everything better. They probably made someone's day. This lady does not care what people do. I can see a few judgmental people though.
Vai! Vai lá! Ela tá mais ruim! Vai! Go for it! Ai, caralho! Ai, tá tudo...
A lot of skill, and on a moving train, hands up for them. Well, if he was so worried, he could have moved. It seems this man decided to cook a whole chicken in the subway. If you can't spend Thanksgiving with your family, spend it in the subway, I guess. I don't know, spend it with the subway fault. Don't you just love drama? You have to if you're watching this video, though.
I don't think you will. I'm private. It's alright, private. Private what? What's your 264 737? Where from?
I love how she continued to just assault the other passengers. She seems to be a little racist. It seems like she got what she deserved, honestly.
Hey! Hey, stop!
Now this is a proper Friday mood. If you show love, you will receive it.
St. Andrew Station. Arriving at St. Andrew Station. Doors will open on the left.
It's as they say, a little goes a long way. Animals are truly the best. This might just be the most unique thing I have ever seen.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight and stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee. Thanks for riding with us.
Oh, owie, okay, at least he made it.
Excuse me, sir?
Prochaine station, attention.
He was probably late for a date. Subway doors are the best mirrors. Maybe they're trying to start a new trend? I'm not even sure what to say, honestly. A quick shower before work. Is there a new shower system at the train station? I don't know.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Now that is what you call minding your own business. And with that, guys, that is the video, and might I say, this might be my favourite video yet. This was the most entertaining thing for me to watch, personally, so yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and with that, guys, I think we'll end it there. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Bye-bye.